Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and this time once again I come up with another stationery unboxing video. Actually my grandfather uses Parker's Jotter's pen, and therefore I would like to buy that product. So I got it from Flipkart and I got it just for 250 rupee with the discount. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's get started. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. So you can see that the packaging, actually the pen is very small, but the Flipkart has given a very big packaging. You can see the box is very big and it is a mention there Flipkart, and there are some pictures also. And now the box is opening, and after opening the box I can show you the Jotter pen, which is actually my memory of my grandfather. And you can see here, this is the beautiful pen. You can see that Parker is written here, Parker from 1888. Jotter is written over here. Here is some mentioning of that, and here is written at the ball pen refillable, and bought in India and Nepal only, and Luxor is for sale only in India and Japan. And here we can see the more detail about this Parker pen. You can see it comes with the twin flow refill, and here is information about that. It is a fine point blue ink refillable with Parker pink flow ballpoint refill, and here is the mention of it 3000 rupee, but I have told you that I got it just for 250 rupee with the discount at the Flipkart. And you can see that the manufacturing is in the February 2024. It is the very latest pen is, and you can see that it is in a black color. So now I am also opening this. So now I'm just post-mortem. I'm just doing the post-mortem of this box, because it is not easy to get it down, but let me try. I would like to get it outside of this box, and let me forward this video. So guys, here you can see that I'm taking out of this box, and you can see that the plastic box is coming with it, and you can see the pen, and the pen is very nice. You can see, you can get it from it like that. You can see the quality of this pen, and here is the actual Parker's that is the nib. You can see that this is the plastic body actually, but here is a steel, and the clip, the arrow clip, that is the actually the recognition of Parker pen. And you can see very easily it coming out, and very easily it is going on. So friends, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'm also coming with it with more video of the review video of this Parker Jotter pen. So thank you very much.